Markets are now reaching all-time highs once again as consumer confidence grows while restrictions are being lifted from the pandemic. Whether you are a value investor, growth investor, or dividend investor, all markets and stocks have been affected in one shape or form, even though the markets have recovered and are roaring once again. Using the principles of value investing, a savvy investor can still purchase undervalued assets, accelerating the growth rate of their portfolios. In this video, I'll discuss 3 different stocks that you can purchase in April 2021, which are not only undervalued, but present great opportunities for gaining profits and collecting handsome dividend along the way. Get ready. You are now entering the Academy. Without further ado, here are the 3 stocks that are still undervalued after the market collapse in early 2020, as well as the recent market dip, and which still provide great opportunities for not only long-term gains, but significant dividend passive income along the way. For the first stock, we have Costco, ticker symbol COST. Warehouse club operator Costco has more than 804 stores that offer a wide array of products to its members. Most brick-and-mortar retailers with such diversified offerings and wide geographic footprints would struggle to achieve a high growth rate, but Costco is a rare exception. It has averaged annual top-line growth of close to 9% over the past few years. The company continues to open new locations, and investors are thrilled with a membership retention rate that routinely exceeds 90%. Costco also adeptly handled the challenge of the pandemic in 2020, as well as heated competition from Amazon and Walmart's online sales channel. The warehouse giant's e-commerce sales grew by nearly more than 80% year over year in its most recently reported quarter. All of this makes Costco a great candidate to deliver above average growth in its category of mass retailer. Income investors won't be too excited by Costco's dividend, which currently sits at 0.8%. However, the retailer's normal payout has hovered around 30% in recent years, which is low in comparison to most dividend stocks. Furthermore, the company generated such excellent cash flows last year that it paid a $10 per share special dividend in December, its 4th bonus distribution in 8 years. If Costco continues along its forecast earnings growth trend line, management may decide to substantially increase its dividend payments moving forward. The second stock is Skyworks Solutions, ticker symbol SWKS. Skyworks Solutions is a semiconductor company that provides solutions that are used in wireless devices, and its exposure to the 5G boom has translated into stellar financial results and investor optimism. The company has been unable to achieve consistent revenue growth for several years leading up to fiscal 2020, but things have changed. It recently reported 16% and 69% year-over-year revenue growth in the past 2 quarters respectively. Skyworks supplies components that are used in mobile phones, cars, and connected household devices. Its chips are also deployed in aerospace, defense, medical, and industrial applications. As 5G connectivity becomes more prevalent, new generations of devices will hit the consumer and commercial market to take advantage of these new high-speed data networks. That's a short-term driver for Skyworks, and it's fair to expect continued growth and strength in the company's results. Skyworks currently pays a quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share. That's only a 1% yield, but at that level, its annual payout will be less than 20% of the consensus EPS forecast for the company's fiscal 2021. That low payout ratio and the company's growth outlook suggest that management could easily double the dividend without impacting the company's financial health or expansion plans. The final stock is Tractor Supply, ticker symbol TSCO. Tractor Supply operates a chain of nearly 2,000 retail stores that sell a broad range of products related to farming, ranching, pet care, gardening, and home improvement. It's coming off a huge year of rising same-store sales and growth in its e-commerce channel. Total sales increased 27% in 2020 and net profits rose 33%. It's unlikely that the chain will achieve the rate of growth again in the next few years, but it should still thrive as the pandemic's influence declines and the US economy expands. The company raised its quarterly dividend from 40 cents per share to 52 cents per share in February, but it could still go even further. Even after that increase, its yield is still only 1.2%. A $2.08 per share annual payout would only amount to 31% of analyst consensus EPS estimate for 2021. If Tractor Supply meets expectations, it will produce more than enough cash to justify another sizable dividend hike. Catching these undervalued dividend-paying stocks before they hike up their dividends is key in buying before the big wave of investors come in and push the stock price even higher. The 3 stocks mentioned in this video are still all undervalued and present a great opportunity to get in early while collecting dividends along the way. And these stocks are prime candidates for future dividend hikes, increasing a savvy investor's passive income along the way. By employing simple strategies learned in the 10X Academy channel, which include value investing, dollar cost averaging, and dividend reinvestment, one can create a low-risk dividend income flow that will appreciate over time and continue to pay income continuously. If you'd like to pick up some of these stocks now, make sure to use the Robinhood stock trading app, which provides a great vehicle to purchase stocks commission-free, thus providing a great way to create and grow a dividend income portfolio using the methods mentioned previously. And if you register now and make your first deposit, you'll receive 3 free stocks that can be worth more than $200 each. So make sure you take advantage of this offer now. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started on creating your very own passive income producing asset and start your path toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. It will really help out the YouTube algorithm in bringing you more passive income and wealth creation strategy videos. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.